So for our assignment, we're gonna go and open a brand new page of our journal. We will write the date 09/29/20, and then we will write S.S for social studies. And what you have to do today is pick one authority figure from the school and draw a picture of them doing their responsibilities. You can pick whatever you want, whatever person that has responsibilities at school. I am going to pick the principal. You have to pick somebody else. So while I make my picture of the principal doing one of her responsibilities, I want you to draw your picture with your authority figure and they're doing their responsibility. Don't pick the same as me, as the teacher. Make sure you pick your own authority figure and draw a picture. Let's draw together. Do yours and I'll do mine. Okay, I will write that it is the principal. Principal. I'm gonna label it. You might want to label yours if you can. Alright, we're done. Make sure you finish your picture before you take a picture of your drawing and upload it to this presentation.